Intro. Did you know that over 90% of new online businesses fail within the first year? That's a staggering number. But what if I told you that I was able to turn my e-commerce journey from zero to over $100,000 in sales? If you're curious about how I did it, then stick around. This isn't just a success story, it's a roadmap you can follow too. Today, I'm sharing all the ups and downs of my e-commerce journey and how you can apply these lessons to your own success. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. Main content. My journey began in my tiny apartment with nothing but a laptop and a dream. I started with a simple idea. I wanted to sell a product I was passionate about. Now, here's the first lesson. Pick a niche that you genuinely care about. Finding your passion gives you the motivation to push through the challenges. So, what did I decide to sell? I went with eco-friendly products. The environment is important to me, and I knew there was a growing market for sustainable items. Once I settled on my niche, the next step was market research. This would determine if there was a demand for my product. I spent hours going through competitors' sites, reading customer reviews, and even engaging in social media groups. I wanted to understand what customers liked and disliked about similar products. This research helped me refine my idea and identify a unique selling point. My products would be both affordable and high quality. Now, let's talk about setting up an online store. I chose Shopify because of its user-friendly interface. It was really simple to set up. I picked a clean and modern theme to showcase my products, which is super important. Remember, first impressions matter. As I put together my store, I spent a lot of time on product descriptions and photography. I took my photos in natural light and focused on clean, appealing shots. Good visuals really help in making a sale. After launching my store, I quickly learned that driving traffic is crucial. I started with social media marketing. I created accounts on Instagram and Facebook and began posting regularly. I shared behind-the-scenes looks at my business, inspiration for my products, and customer testimonials. Engagement was key, so I responded to every comment and message. Another effective strategy was collaborations. I reached out to influencers who shared my values and offered them my products. In exchange, they showcased my items to their followers. This strategy helped me gain visibility and credibility. As sales began to roll in, I realized the importance of customer service. I made it a point to provide excellent service, answering emails promptly and resolving issues quickly. This led to positive reviews, which helped build trust with potential customers. By the end of my first year, I hit my first major milestone, $30,000 in sales. That's when I knew I was onto something. But I didn't stop there. I delved into email marketing. I created a newsletter where I shared product updates, special discounts, and sustainability tips. This kept my customers engaged and encouraged repeat purchases. Fast forward a few months, and I was nearing my goal. Hitting $100,000 seemed possible, but it required scaling up my efforts. I began experimenting with paid advertising. I set a budget for Facebook ads targeting specific demographics who were likely to be interested in my products. This proved to be another turning point. My sales started to increase significantly. I also took time to analyze which ads were effective, always testing and optimizing. This whole process reinforced my belief in continuous learning. I read books, attended webinars, and engaged with other e-commerce entrepreneurs. Learning from others' experiences helped me avoid many pitfalls. As I neared my goal, I also focused on increasing my product range. I introduced new items based on customer feedback and market trends. Diversification became key, as it attracted new customers while encouraging existing ones to buy more. Shortly after implementing these strategies, I crossed the $100,000 mark. It wasn't just about the money. It was the proof that hard work, research, and perseverance pay off. Through this journey, I learned invaluable lessons about resilience and the importance of community. So remember, if I can do it, you can too. Outro. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway from my journey? Or, do you have questions about starting your own e-commerce store? Drop a comment below. I'd love to chat. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of e-commerce. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing forward.